If you want to win in this ever-changing world of real estate, it starts with a mindset and it starts with your attitude, an attitude of domination. If you go out there to merely compete, you will be eaten alive. That's why the attrition rate in real estate is so high. You must aim to dominate your marketplace. And in order to do so, you must raise your expectations. Don't lower your expectations to meet your current performance levels. Raise your performance to meet worthwhile expectations. Don't look for the silver bullet, the fast track to success. It doesn't exist. Instead, focus on sustainable long-term solutions. Attract success, as I always say, attract success by being attractive to the marketplace. But to do this, go on the attack. Go out there to win. Be an offensive player. Don't be a passive reactionary player. Lead the charge and lead the charge of change. Don't be a mere observer sitting on the sidelines. Remember, winners always want the ball. If you are not where you want to be today, then change your direction immediately. Just decide it. Once you decide, do. If necessary, go on an aggressive form of transformation. Decide who you want to be and become that person. But this takes courage. It takes courage to stand out. It takes courage to rise to the top. There's an old saying, the rising whale attracts the harpoon. And this is true. But if you have the fortitude, the drive, the strength, you will break through. To dominate in real estate, you have to do these things. And at the same time, you have to be doing them in a way that will build your profile. But you only have to do it within your focus area. At the same time, you have to prioritize listings. Again, if you want to dominate, you've got to be a listing agent. In addition, you've got to have growth strategies in place. And to do that, you've got to commit to this business as a full-time endeavor. You have to be really focused. The more focused your activity, the greater the probability of your success. You also have to innovate and you have to challenge the status quo. You should be asking yourself, how can I reshape what is currently being done in my market? Bring the modern world to your clients and they will reward you. At first, your competitors will resist, but when you persist, they will learn to respect you. Once again, I'm Michael Mahon, your real estate success strategist. If you found this video helpful and informative, and if you feel that I've delivered some value to you, look below, like the video, subscribe to my channel, or follow me. And don't forget to smash the bell to receive more notifications.